All right, yo, what's good, guys? I got a package in the mail today. Doesn't look like much, but we're gonna crack it open here. Been kind of excited about this one. It was a bit of an impulse buy, which I don't usually do, especially at this price point. I hope it fits. Be pretty well packaged. I wrapped it up so it would stay dry, so I'm kind of impressed by that. So here it is here. This is Aero leather jacket. Their Sheene model. Horsehide. Let me get this watch off. Feels like it might fit. See if we can tilt this down a little. Looks pretty good. A pretty good range of motion. It's a little restricted in the hug position, but not terrible. Sleeves aren't bad. I'll do a fit check later with the Fedora Lounge, but especially as you zip these things up, they sit okay. So, for the price of what one of these would be new, I paid about a little less than half. Still got a little leather smell to it. It's not as strong as probably when it's new. That's the benefit of buying one of these new. Pockets feel pretty nice. Really nice, thick horsehide leather. It's not as stiff as I imagined it would be. A little bit stiffer than my shot, which is cowhide. But it feels pretty good. I will say the ergonomics of this jacket are not the greatest. With this pocket up here. I mean, if you have to drop something in there or something, but to get in and out of this pocket, if I were doing a custom jacket, I would definitely angle that pocket down. It's warm. Warming up already. So yeah, there you go. Aero Sheene. Kind of a looker, man. Not too much wiggle room in the waist there. Kind of a flattering profile. This is for their jacket for people with a little bit more athletic build. So, pretty pleased with it. More to come. I'll do a full review later on, but I'm liking this so far. Shout out to my seller from Fedora Lounge and eBay. I'll shout him out by name when I get a chance. But yeah, I'll dig you guys later. God bless.